Damn, all the whips are back. We got the E46 back home. The dirt bike that still needs to be fixed, but hopefully soon we'll be riding that. And the GTR, the broken GTR. Sketch. Today, guys, we gotta fix this thing, because that sounds horrible. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. A very hot day today. I'm literally sweating, bro. We also got a new pimple every single day. First I had a pimple in the middle of my nose, now I have one in the middle of my forehead. Ow, it looks so ugly, bro. But anyways, today we gotta fix the GTR. We're gonna take it to 412 today. I think we should be good. I think it's just an exhaust leak. Hopefully we can get that fixed. And while we're at 412, we're gonna take care of all the maintenance on the GTR. Literally all the maintenance that I've been freaking slacking on. We're gonna do a transmission fluid flush, a differential fluid flush, and an oil change. And we're also gonna check that exhaust leak. So hopefully everything gets taken care of tonight. Look at that garage setup though. E46 M3, GTR, 450 dirt bike. What else do we need to add, guys? 350Z, R8. Oh my God, this GTR sounds like crap, bro. It doesn't even sound like a GTR, dude. Like, it literally sounds so weird. It was funny, a lot of people were commenting that it sounds kind of like a Honda, kind of sounds like a built GTR. It does sound like a built GTR. Like, most of these GTRs don't even have exhaust. That's why they sound like this. All right, guys, we got the diff fluid and we got the transmission oil with the original Nissan oil. I think that's the best, hopefully. A lot of GTR owners told me just to go with the original Nissan GTR oil, so hopefully. All right, guys, we made it. And they're already looking underneath the car. It was like that? Yeah. That's how I was driving? Yeah. No way, bro. Probably the leak. So yeah, the bolt, oh shit. There's a missing bolt right there. And the whole gasket is just hanging off, as you guys can see. So that's where the leak is, guys. That bolt just came off. The exhaust does look sick though. I was changing colors. But yeah, I guess that's the exhaust leak. It's just a bolt fell off of the downpipe. So it's not as bad as we thought. I was scared that the downpipe was gonna be cracked, but it's just a missing bolt. Put the bolts up and the exhaust leak should be fixed. And like I said, we're gonna do a transmission flush, diff flush, and oil change. Look how much fluid there is. There's a lot of stuff, bro. So we got engine oil, transmission oil, 7 of those, a bunch of these. This is the diff fluid, and then the engine oil filter. So yeah, a lot of stuff to do on the car, all this maintenance, but it's good to do everything at once. And then the car should be running 100%. Nick's doing maintenance on the car? Bro, there's so much fluids. Yeah. We're almost done. They also got a 720 over here. Downpipes, exhaust, tune, I think. Exhaust?
Exhaust and downpipes.
That shit looks crazy. I would not know how to put this car back together. It looks destroyed, bro. I would drive it like that too. Imagine everyone would be like, what the fuck?
People do, no?
That would be insane with no bumper, bro. Like, just drive it like this.
Like after they do this, they can
Test drive it? That would be crazy. I would pull it to a car meet later. Damn, that shit sounds crazy. Downpipes and full exhaust. Alright, guys, we're done at 412. The car is complete. No more exhaust leak, bro. It sounds normal now. Sounds like a GTR again, bro. All the maintenance is done and the GTR is back, guys, finally. Now we just need to make it faster because I'm so used to it, bro. This car feels so slow to me, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I also plan on wrapping it very, very soon. Stay tuned for that. By the way, comment down below what colors you guys think I should do on the GTR. But yeah, the GTR is back. Woo. Okay, it's fast, but I need it faster. just met up with the homie Kicks and we're on the way to LA right now. We have a long ass drive to get to this car meet. Over an hour drive, so hopefully this car meet is lit. Hopefully it's worth the drive. The homie Kevin's going. I haven't cruised with Kevin in a long time. Anthro's pulling up. Before we get into the video, smash the like button for me. I appreciate it so much. I hope this car meet's worth it, bro. This is a long ass drive. The Supra? Where's that GTR, bro? This GTR is almost done, guys. Over 1,000 horsepower. I can't wait to see that shit. I'm getting some E85. I got the rear take this shit, but I can't. We got Anthro Supra. Kicks the GTR. Guys, I want to do this rear bumper so bad. Look at all the carbon fiber. So like half of the bumper is pretty much all carbon, which is sick because everything's carbon on mine except for my diffuser. So if I upgrade to this bumper, I'll have the carbon diffuser, carbon side skirts, carbon lip, and everything. So I think this bumper might be the move, bro. Before I do my next wrap, I'm definitely gonna do the bumper. All right, guys, we made it to the meetup spot. From here, everyone's about to go on a cruise. It's gonna be crazy. There's tons of cars. Damn, there's a Viper here. That shit probably fast, bro. I don't trust Vipers no more. I feel like they're all twin turbo Vipers. After that one I raced. Damn, 435i? Huh? 435i? Yeah. GTR? Damn, that shit is clean, bro. You got 18s, TE37s. I should have did some TEs, huh? I almost did TEs. Damn, he has the carbon trunk. 18s. Damn, there's 2 Huracans here, guys. That shit's sick. That FindingNick spec. Tiffany blue? I miss Tiffany blue, guys. Tiffany blue Huracan though, that's hard. And it's wide body, Liberty Walk. Damn, that is so freaking nice. But I think it's crazy. Oh my god. That shit sounds sick. Woo. Damn, guys, look at this. E36 M3. That's hard. Lazy 36. Hey guys, we're about to roll out. Just so you guys can get an idea of how many cars are here. This shit is gonna be crazy. Alright, it's probably gonna be hard to film, so I'm gonna throw the GoPro on. I haven't done that in a long time. Oh my god, that shit is loud. Bro, what is that? What is that Mustang? Everybody is revving it, bro. This shit is gonna be crazy on the freeway. I heard they're going to Rodeo Drive. I think it's gonna be a bad idea. I think that's a very bad idea because there's a lot of cops in Rodeo Drive. There's Kevin. Oh my god, bro! Shit, bro, that Corvette almost made me deaf. Alright guys, here we go. This Corvette is so loud. I want him to do the little two-step he was doing. That shit is crazy. I'm sure you guys remember Ares. He had the E93 M3 convertible. Uh-oh. That's not good. Sheesh, definitely coming for us. But it's definitely coming for us. Heading to Mexico. You don't want it, bro. Joseph Nahas. Oh, the new M4. What's up, Kevin? You wanna race? Should we try to race Kevin, guys? So many BMWs, bro. BMWs. Oh my god. It's funny to hear all the BMW verbal tunes. Yeah, we can't race. There's so many cars. Once they want to race. Let's see. That shit's loud, but it's not that quick. Damn. I guess Anthro got pulled over. He said they got me. He said the cops ain't playing, so I don't know, bro. That's sketch. This little car, I don't know what kind of car it is, but it's spitting the weirdest flames. Like that shit's making a weird ass noise. I'm trying to catch up to show you. This thing, guys, look at it. Drive, I think.
When are you gonna get the E92 again?
I need another one, bro. Look at that, guys. E92. God, bro. Why does that fool's car sound like a tiger?
That shit sounds like a horn, like an old school horn.
Bro, why does it sound like that? It just sounds like a whale. Bro, I've never heard a car rev like that. Like it's literally like making a weird noise every time he revs it. Bro, this shit sounds crazy. Oh my god, bro. That shit's fucking loud. Oh my god, why does it sound like that? Alright guys, just like I thought, Rodeo Drive is shut down. Look how many cops there are. I'm gonna just drive right past. I'm not gonna go in there. There's so many cops over there, bro. They completely shut down Rodeo Drive, so that's not the move. Well, that was a fun little cruise, but me and Kicks do not want to get pulled over, so we are not going over there. Shit looks like a checkpoint, bro. It looks like a state ref, that's what it looks like. Like 10 cop cars, bro. Hell no. Who remembers these streets? This is actually where I drove my first GTR. If you guys remember that vlog. It was a random guy we met on Rodeo Drive, and he had a GTR. I told him it was my dream car, and he let me drive it, which is crazy. This is like the same street I was driving his GTR on. And now we in my GTR, bro. That's crazy.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.